Hey guys, welcome to your last day of full e-learning before we kind of head into summer. So it's hard to believe that it's already that time of year, but nonetheless we're here, and so I just want to take the last opportunity I can to walk you through what we're going to do for today for the last time, and kind of give you some tidbits on closing the course out. So basically, what I'm going to ask you to do for today is I've got a video for you on how to wire a three-way switch. So a switch that has, or a three-way light. It's got the light and then two separate switches that can turn it on and off. So like at the bottom of the stairs and the top of the stairs, both switches controlling the same light. I'm going to show you that. I'd like you to watch the video, and then I've got an electrical quiz for you. And there's going to be questions from the video as well as the other electrical concepts on the quiz, and I'll give you the access code here in a second. And then at the very end, if you would please, for me, please take a second and there's a course survey. It means a lot to me to have some feedback from you on what you liked, what you didn't like, what you missed, things like that. But I want to take an opportunity, like I said, to at least close out and debrief with you a little bit about how you felt over the course, just because I know we won't have a chance to really do that in person. So before I give you the access code, just shout out to you guys. Miss you. Hope you're doing well. If I don't get a chance to see you in person, I hope you guys have a relaxing summer. And those of you going off to college, I hope you enjoy it. Stay safe, be smart, know that I'm still here for you. And always feel free to reach out if there's things that I can do to help. That's for all of you. Like I said, that doesn't change. So I miss you sincerely, and I hope you're all doing well. Access code for the last time, the electrical quiz is positive, as in the positive wire. So POSITIVE, positive. Good luck. We'll see you soon. Thanks.